Hello to everyone and welcome to our new free video update here ahead of the webinar that we will have it on Monday. So if you have time on Monday at 15 Central European time, keep in mind that that's also a day when there will be a holiday in the US, so market could be a little bit less volatile than normally. But I will put this link to our webinar on Monday definitely below this video here on YouTube. Okay, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure to like this video, and of course you will be notified whenever we go live on Monday. Okay, also before we start this quick free update, keep in mind that it's only a few days left for these New Year sales, so if you are looking for yearly or maybe just monthly membership, make sure to check these our plans out. Okay, now firstly, let's take a look on cryptocurrencies. So as you know, the market has been waiting on this ETF decision. The ETF has been approved. Interestingly enough, the Bitcoin is trading sideways, so we are not seeing any kind of a major moves here, but I still think that it can be quite interesting. In fact, firstly, if we take a look on total market cap with members, we were looking for move to the upside for 1.8 trillion, but we were seeing prices trading into a fifth wave of a higher degree wave 3. So for now, we are seeing that market has moved into this resistance area, and not only the crypto total market cap, we are also seeing the Bitcoin futures here as well trading at this horizontal resistance here around 50,000, and also the channel resistance. So possibly we are seeing wave 3 in very late stages. Also, looking at Bitcoin here on the 4-hour time frame, as you know, on Monday in our free webinar, the latest one, we said that it's either prices can come to the upside with an ending diagonal, which is the final pattern within the higher degree trend. So it's a very strong bearish reversal pattern. In fact, if this one is correct, we could very quickly and very sharply seeing prices come back to the downside, back towards 40,000. Also, we have still this wave count in play and valid as well, where prices came to a new high out of a triangle. But even this one suggests that whenever prices come out of a triangle, that this is the final move, final leg within the higher degree trend. So again, another indication that prices could potentially be ready for a higher degree correction. We are already seeing that market is rejecting these levels here around 49,000, 50,000. So despite the ETF launch, I'm sure that a lot of futures traders are booking profits because there were speculations until this week that Bitcoin ETF could potentially be approved. So this move already was priced in the market. So that's why I'm saying that maybe market could do the opposite now and could potentially see a pullback. Of course, some of the altcoins could be a very interesting. For more gains, I see that even Ethereum is now trying to outperform Bitcoin for this week. Also, let's take a look on Nasdaq. Keep in mind that Nasdaq here, yes, it's very strong, it's still in uptrend, but we potentially could be here coming to an end of this extended, okay, of this extended wave 3. Let me just, okay, of this extended wave 3. So we could very soon see a pullback here into wave 4. And this, of course, could also allow that maybe Bitcoin as well will see a pullback, because there is a correlation, not a very tight one because of different volatility on these two markets, but clearly there can be some pullback, of course. Also, what's very interesting to look for is dollar. So inflation data from this week from in the US was very important, the main topic. Market expected maybe that there will be some massive breakouts. It doesn't happen just yet. Even producer price index didn't manage to cause the breakouts. But what we are seeing is that inflation yesterday on Thursday actually showed us that maybe market participants were expecting too much of the cuts from the Fed for this year. Okay, so market has to do repricing now because there was also jobs that were very strong reported from a week earlier, and now we have also inflation still being higher, well above 3%, and the target is 2%. So the Fed could really stick for higher for longer with rates, and this could potentially keep dollar index here in a range trading above 100 and below 105. So I still think that this corrective recovery that I'm tracking is incomplete and that we could see more upside. Maybe next week there can be some support for this minor wave B here around 101.50, from where eventually we'll see a turn to the upside into wave C, into a higher degree, into the late stages of this higher degree correction. Okay, also, even if you take a look on dollar yen, I believe that this one is in a correction as well. We've been tracking this one with members. We said that probably this broken trend line here, okay, line chart has a much better wave structure, by the way. This broken channel and 5 waves up suggested that we are stepping into a correction. So I still think that 147, 148, it's even better resistance. So the idea is here that we are in the middle of this corrective rise that could even continue in the rest of the January, especially after this current corrective phase that we are seeing. So more of the updates, more of the charts, of course, will be shared with you in our webinar on Monday, okay, at 15 Central European time. So make sure to check this out. And as I said, if you are not our member yet, make sure to check these offers, and maybe our services, who knows, will be interesting for you with your trading journey. Okay, traders, enjoy your day and see you on Monday. Bye.